Mirha?
Walaikum salam.
How are you?
I am fine.
Good. Okay, Mirha, tell me which is thick and which is thin? Well done. Okay, Bishar, tell me which is thick? Good. And which is thin? Very good. Okay, Shal, tell me which is thick? Very good. And which is thin? Very good. Baris, tell me which is thick? Good. And which is thin? Very good. Zainab, tell me which is thick and which is thin? Very good. Okay, Hasan, tell me which is thick and which is thin? Very good.
Dear students, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, share and comment the video. Thank you very much.